Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make magnesium oil. First, gather your simple ingredients: high-quality magnesium chloride flakes and distilled water. You'll also want a clean glass spray bottle for storage. This topical solution is a fantastic way to absorb magnesium, supporting muscle relaxation and overall well-being. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes to prepare, offering a natural approach to supplementing this vital mineral. Now, let's get to the mixing. Begin by boiling 1/2 cup of distilled water. This helps sterilize the water and ensures the flakes dissolve easily. Once the water is hot, measure out 1/2 cup of magnesium chloride flakes. Carefully pour the hot water over the flakes in a heat-safe bowl or jar. Stir the mixture gently until all the magnesium flakes have fully dissolved, creating a clear, slightly oily solution. This step is quick and crucial for a smooth final product. After mixing, it's important to let your magnesium oil cool down entirely. Once it reaches room temperature, carefully pour the solution into your clean glass spray bottle. Glass is preferred as it doesn't react with the magnesium. Store your homemade magnesium oil in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight. When stored properly, this solution can maintain its effectiveness for up to 6 months, providing a long-lasting supply for your needs. Using your homemade magnesium oil is simple. Spray 10 to 20 pumps directly onto your skin, focusing on areas like your arms, legs, or abdomen. Avoid very sensitive areas or broken skin. You might feel a slight tingling sensation at first, which is completely normal and usually subsides with regular use. Many people find it helps with muscle relaxation, reduces cramps, and even improves sleep quality. It's a wonderful, natural addition to your wellness routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.